to disable mirror effect on selfie camera. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Camera app on your device. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, which will open all these options. In here, click on Settings, which is the second option. After that, in Settings, scroll down and search for Mirrored Selfie Photo. Simply click on it to turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. After that, it will be turned off. And when you take a selfie, mirror effect won't show up. This is how to disable mirror effect on selfie camera. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.